In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a credit card to YNAB. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to click on Add Account over here on the left-hand side. And when you do that, over here, you have two options. Now, you could either go ahead and basically search for your bank, or you could also click on any of these popular options over here. So, for example, let's say you have like a Revolut card, you could just type in Revolut over here, and you could go ahead and, of course, continue, for example, with Revolut, and then you'll be able to connect it, etc. over here, and then you'll be able to add your card in that way. Or if your bank cannot be found, or if you just want to add your card quickly and then basically import transactions manually and link your own, enter your own like that, you could go ahead and click on add an unlinked account over here, and then you'll have to give it a nickname. So for example, I'm just going to name it a MasterCard. There we go, and I'm just going to name it Revolut. Let's say this is my Revolut MasterCard. I quickly want to add, and then here it's going to say what type of account are you adding. You want to click on that, and here it's going to say credit accounts, and you can go ahead and basically click on credit card, and then here it's going to ask you what's your current account balance. Let's say currently I have $500 on here. You just want to type that in, click on next, and when you do that, you can click on done here, and as you can see, you now have a credit card over here, which I named for myself, MasterCard Revolut, and let's say this is now my credit card and I can use it like this. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.